Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing one of India's most loved snacks, Punjabi Samosa. These are filled with a spicy potato pea mix that makes every bite irresistible. Chop 4 boiled potatoes and keep aside. In a mixer jar add 1 tablespoon of ginger peeled and chopped, 1 and a half green chili chopped, add water as required and grind into a fine paste. In a mixer jar, add half tablespoon of fennel seeds, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, half tablespoon of coriander seeds, crush. Place a pan on medium flame, heat 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, add the ground spices as required, mix well. Then add the ground paste and mix well. Add the boiled potatoes. Mix. Add 1/3 cup of boiled green peas. Add salt as required. Half teaspoon of chaat masala. Little black pepper powder. Half teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi. Add some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix well. Let it cook. Once cooked, switch off the flame and transfer into a bowl. Mash it and keep aside. To make the dough in a bowl, add 1 cup of flour, half tablespoon of semolina, half teaspoon of crushed carom seeds, half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Add 1 and a half tablespoon of clarified butter. Mix well. Add cold water gradually as required and knead to form a dough. Cover the dough with a cloth and let it rest for 15 minutes. Now I am dividing the dough into 4 equal portions. Then take one portion and shape into round ball. Rest of the portions covered with a cloth. Flatten it slightly with your hands and roll into oval shape. Cut it into 2 equal parts. Apply water around the edges. Fold it like this and press to seal. Pinch at the edge to seal properly. Put the filling in it. I am applying little more water on the edges. Then press it like this to cover it. Follow the same steps to make rest of the samosas. After making each samosa, place them in a plate and cover them with a cloth. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the samosas. Remember, do not overcrowd the pan. Samosas are now ready. You can serve this with chutney, sauce and a cup of chai. It never fails. See you all in my next video. Until then, happy cooking and thanks for watching.